We are going to look at linear equations. In high school, you know how to solve such things, but purely algebraic manipulations. Even in BLC, when you look at Gauss elimination method, this and that, row echelon form, you do computations. But the theory and the concept behind that have you understood? That is what we are going to attempt to. Let us start with the simplest case. Suppose I have equation ax equal to b, a, b are real numbers. Okay. Then you know how to solve it. Whenever I ask, students always say x equal to b by a. Okay. Obvious. But then, now that you are all, a little bit of mathematics, this is valid. B is not equal to, sorry, a is not equal to 0. Right? Therefore, the first thing is if a is not equal to 0, okay, then x equal to b by a. But instead of concentrating on solution, I want to concentrate on the solution set. Here in this case is very easy, but let's look at this is set. This is all real number, so that AC equal to B. Right? So this is the solution set of the equation. Therefore, when A is not equal to 0, then the solution set S, this S is only one element B by A. Right? So what happens when A equal to 0? When A equal to 0, I have 0 times x equal to B. Okay. Now there are two cases. B is not equal to 0 and B equal to 0. If B is not equal to 0, the left side LH is 0 and RH is not equal to 0. Okay, there exists no C in R, so that AC equal to B. That means the solution set in this case is empty. Whereas B equal to 0, okay, then take any C in R, then A times C is B, that is 0 times C equal to 0. Therefore, the solution set in this case is R. Right? So, we have the equation Ax equal to B. Now, there are, okay, this one has a lot of things. When A is not equal to 0, in this case, solution set is B by A. And when then A equal to 0, then there are two cases. One is B is not equal to 0 and other one is B equal to 0. In this case, solution set is empty. In this case, solution set is R. Right? Now let's look at a single equation, two variables, Ax equal to C. Okay? Right? Again, you can ask for various things. If all the coefficients are 0, if A equal to 0 equal to B, then I want LHS is 0. So if RH is, namely C is not equal to 0, then the solution set is empty. Okay. If RH is 0 is C, then solution set is R of R2. But here you have to understand, usually people will say something like alpha beta is a solution of this if A alpha plus B beta is C. But the best way to say is not alpha beta real numbers, the ordered pair alpha beta. Because alpha beta, the ordered pair may be a solution of this equation, but beta alpha may not be. Okay. So it's easier. So solution set, I should think of this as ordered pairs alpha beta in R2, so that A alpha plus B beta equal to C. Okay. This is the understanding first I have to look at. Therefore, when A equal to 0 equal to B and C is not equal to 0, the solution set is empty. And if A equal to 0 equal to B and solution set is 0, the solution set is R of R2, because I will have 0 times alpha plus 0 times beta equal to 0 for any alpha beta in R2. So you understand that the concept should be to understand the solution set, not only solutions. Therefore, assume one of the coefficients is non-zero. Assume, for example, B is not equal to 0. Similarly, A not equal to 0, you can do. This is your homework. Okay. Therefore, I have Ax plus B equal to C. high school you know by equal to c minus ax. Since b is not equal to 0, y equal to c minus ax by 1 by b. What is the meaning of this? Okay, the meaning is something very easy. That is, if I take x equal to alpha any, okay, let alpha be any real number, then define beta by the equation for y, that is 1 by b minus c minus a alpha. The ordered pair alpha beta is a solution of the equation ax plus b equal to c. That is very easy. I have a alpha plus times beta 1 by b into c minus a alpha. You can see is equal to c. Right? Therefore, now I have found the solution set to be all alpha and 1 by b c minus a alpha as alpha varies over R. This is the solution set. Right? And what this means is, therefore, geometrically we say this is stands for a line in R2. What does it mean is this S is a line. Okay, the solution set, the geometric meaning is the solution set is a line R2. Okay. Think about this. We will come in the next shorts how to use this profitably, understand what you have been doing all through in a more conceptual way.